Here's some of the business of war trivia. Subscribe. What was the strategic plan named that involved bombings in Vietnam? Is it A, Operation Rolling Thunder, B, Operation Desert Storm, C, Operation Enduring Freedom, or D, Operation Phoenix? The correct answer is A, Operation Rolling Thunder. What year did the Cold War officially end? Is it A, 1989, B, 1993, C, 1991, or D, 1987? The correct answer is C, 1991. What type of military strategy involves deception? Is it A, trench warfare, B, blitzkrieg tactics, C, shock and awe, or D, deception operations? The correct answer is D, deception operations. What is the name of the Global Arms Control Treaty signed in 1968? Is it A, Strategic Arms Limitations, B, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, C, Comprehensive Test Ban, or D, Arms Reduction Treaty? The correct answer is B, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. Which agency is responsible for U.S. intelligence? Is it A, CIA, B, NRO, ATF, or DEA? The correct answer is CIA. Which military alliance was founded in 1949? Is it A, Warsaw Pact, B, SATO, C, NATO, or D, ANZUS? The correct answer is C, NATO. What is the objective of counterinsurgency? Is it A, promoting economic growth, B, gaining political power, C, establishing peace treaties, or D, defeating insurgent groups? The correct answer is D, defeating insurgent groups. What term refers to the financial support for the military? Is it A, public works, B, welfare program, C, tax subsidies, or D, defense spending? The correct answer is D, defense spending. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.